Fear is a tool for control. The state, religion, company, and the media are using fear to program, control, and manipulate us. A religion eating. If you do not believe in God, you will burn in hell. Hell, I say. Hell, young soul. They use the fear of burning in hell to force you into conforming and believing whatever it is they want you to believe, young soul. If mengathi, let's take back the land, no muntu ozothi so fana neZimbabwe, yangithola, they use like Zimbabwe, like the fear of being like Zimbabwe, the fear of what happened in Zimbabwe is used to keep us intact, yangithola. It's not a mistake ukuthi lento yenzeka eZimbabwe yayenzeka. It was meant to happen to instill fear kithi, yangithola. So the state uses fear to create a division. Nokuthi i-company or nokuthi i-government i-create employment izothi ama-foreigner anithathela imisebenzi, uyangithola, creating le fear le yokuthi labantu laba abokufika yibo ama-actual enemies, uyangithola. During apartheid, the apartheid regime used to say ukuthi the ANC ama-communist. If ama-communist are in power, they will take everything, uyangithola, using using like communism as the boogeyman, like because fear bafethu is the strongest emotion, yabo. Fear iyayicima ingqondo, yangithola. Even some of us guys or some of ladies, we use fear to control other guys, yabo. Maybe a guy unabangani bamantombazana, yabo. So mina ngizothi maybe ngifuna ukumsusa from leyo group of girls, yabo. Ngizothi wena umngani wamantombazana uyistabane, like I use the fear of being gay to control labo bantu. Even ladies use the same tactics, maybe out emotional, yabo. Maybe a lady hurts ama-feelings of a guy and the guy says ukuthi you hurt my feelings. The lady izothi ngihurts ama-feelings akho princess, yangithola, like using the fear of being gay to manipulate and control leyo out, yangithola. Even the idea of white like genocide, yangithola. Even this idea of the unaliving of white people in South Africa, like it was used as a fear mongering tactics to manipulate abantu, to manipulate states, to manipulate even USA into pushing certain policies against the ANC and members of the ANC. So fear as an emotion is strong, you understand? It's very, very strong. So kumele sikwazi ukuyicontrol, yangithola. Even ama-companies use fear to control and manipulate us, yabo, by telling us ukuthi oh une-Vans, mara i-Vans yakho akusile ye-Boots, so kumele uthenga i-Vans ye-Boots, uyithenge i-Vans ye-Boots. But how une-Vans ye-Boots, why imnyama? You don't have i-Vans ye-Boots e-white, yabo. Then uthenga i-Vans ye-Boots e-white. Then une-Vans ye-Boots e-white, but le Vans yakho ye-Boots e-white yaka 2018, khona i-Vans ye-Boots e-white yaka 2025, yabo. So they're using fear of missing out ukuthi bahlezi bakucontroller into buying, you understand? So how do we go about solving the fear? Because if we do not solve our fears, if we do not allow ourselves to rise above the fear, we'll always be slaves to our fear, you understand? And the fear is very, very dangerous. So we must rise above the fear, you understand? Okay, we must rise above the fear by gaining knowledge, you understand? If you know things, if you understand this person is trying to manipulate me, tending to my fears, yabo, kuba easier to go about amanye situations, yabo. So you must always be wary ukuthi now I'm being manipulated using fear, because fear bafethu is very, very dangerous. Like if I can convince you ukuthi umamakho okuzalayo, umamakho okuncelisayo, umamakho owakukhulisa, umamakho okuthengela impahla, okwenzela everything, ukuthi mekashona is a demon. If I can convince you ukuthi loyo muntu loyo who's so dearest to you uyi-demon, I can convince you to do whatever I want. So obvious, when voting, you must be very, very mindful. Yangithola, ubazi ukuthi am I voting because labantu laba are they going to bring tangible change in my life, or am I voting because labantu laba bathi ngeke bavumele into embi yenzeke, which is using fear, you understand? Even when you are religious, am I worshiping God because I love God and I have a strong connection with Him, or is it because if I don't do it, I go to hell? So what do you think? Do you think people really are easily susceptible to fear as I assume, or it's not as easy as it is? It's not as easy to see which I'm being manipulated, or it's not easy to manipulate people using fear?